So glad you're here. My name is Christy with Sundance Botanicals, and I manufacture the Elder Power Elderberry Syrup right here on the Advanced Medicine Exchange. With your purchase, you can know that you are supporting a small family-owned and operated business. Elder Power is not available on Amazon, not available on big box stores, and we also support the special needs community in honor of our beautiful daughter with Down syndrome.
You love Elder Power Elderberry?
Yeah!
Our goal is to provide elderberry in its purest form, something you and your family can take safely on a daily basis. So we extensively third-party test every batch. Elder Power is certified free of heavy metals, harmful pathogens, and toxic glyphosate. Brewed fresh in our FDA-registered facility to your door within days of production. We'd love to hear your testimony. Try for yourself. Live your best life. Nature provides. Thank you so much for your support.
Thanks for supporting our family!